guys, and welcome back to Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making some burrito bowls, shrimp and chicken burrito bowls. So, of course, you're going to need some shrimp and you're going to need some chicken for this bowl. There's some black beans, Shelly's house seasoning, some taco mix, some corn, some garlic, some rice, some onions, and green bell peppers. So we're gonna fry up this chicken and this, and we're gonna put it to the side. We're gonna fry up those bell peppers and everything, put it to the side. And we're gonna make some we're gonna jazz up those black beans, and we're gonna jazz up that corn. Alright, so let's move over to the stove. Okay, so now we're back at the stove. Let's get our chicken right here. And Shelly's house seasoning, if you've been watching my video, you know that Shelly's house seasoning is salt, pepper, seasoning, garlic, onion powder, guys. Got my chicken here, and I got a little oil in the pan. You always love to hear that sizzle, guys. Such a wonderful sizzle. Alright, so these are boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And it was 3 of them. So I just sliced them thinly. And we're going to season it up with some Shelly's house seasoning. And half a pack of this taco mix seasoning. Now you can make your own with a little cumin, a little oregano, a little chili powder, you know, some salt, some garlic, all of that good stuff. So half that pack. I'm going to use the other pack half on the shrimp and the bell peppers. Alright. So we're going to let this cook down and get a nice good sear on them, guys. And then we're going to get them out of the pan. Alright, and when this gets a nice good sear, we'll be back. Okay, so let's start on our beans while we're waiting on our chicken. So we're going to put those 2 cans of beans, juice and all, right in our right into our pot, guys. And we're going to squeeze half of a lime inside. And we're going to get some cilantro in here, some Shelly's house seasoning, and some garlic. Alright, so get those 2 cans in there. And it doesn't matter what brand you use with these cans, it's all going to do the same thing. Turn our burner on. Let's get some garlic in here. And take shortcuts where you need them. Like, you don't have to chop up no garlic all the time. You can always use some minced garlic. I know everybody says fresh is best. It's going to do the same thing. And it saves you some time. A little Shelly's house seasoning. And if you don't have one of those things that I had, the juicer, get your fork just like this, get in there, and it will help squeeze all of that lime out. And if you don't have a lime, you can use some lemon juice. But a half of one, you don't want to overpower it. So a half a lime, and this thing is kind of juicy. And take this fork, just like this, and dig in there and just squeeze as you dig. Like that. Mix that in. Oh, this is going to give so much flavor to them beans. So when you go in Chipotle, get a Chipotle bowl. And those black beans got that flavor. It's lime, cilantro, and garlic. But we're going to add some Shelly's house seasoning to it. Give it some I'm over here mixing the chicken with that good feel on it. It's nice and brown. Alright, let's get in. I'll get some cilantro. Get in there. Okay, so now it's time to add. Now I have dried cilantro. You can use some fresh if you have it. I was in the store. All the cilantro didn't look good, so I'm just going to use the dry ones that I have in the house. So like a teaspoon and a half of some dried cilantro. Alright, get that mixed in. I don't use too much because it tastes like soap. You use too much. So a little goes a long way. Oh, it smells amazing in here, guys. Amazing. Alright, so we're going to move over to the chicken so y'all can get a good look at this chicken. And then we're going to do the rice and the shrimp. Okay, so look how delicious this chicken looks. It smells amazing. It looks amazing. Okay, let's just get it out onto my platter. And we're just going to add a little more oil. I'm going to add the shrimp in here. A burrito bowl, guys. Woo-wee! Nothing like a burrito bowl. Add a little more oil. Shrimp in here. It's going to catch all the flavor from the chicken onto the shrimp. If you're allergic to shrimp, don't leave it out. You know, you could just do chicken. Or if you don't want to do chicken, you could just use shrimp. Let's get some. That was Shelly's house seasoning. Get a little of this garlic in here. A little bit. And get some of this taco seasoning on here. Oh, smells amazing, guys. This gets done. As soon as these shrimp get done, guys, we're gonna. Oh, and these are extra large shrimp. They have been cleaned and deveined. And they're not going to take long to cook up at all. Alright, so once these get done, we're going to move over to our onions and peppers and our rice. And then, oh, and our corn. After that, we're all done. Okay, so we got 2 teaspoons of butter. We'll get that in there. We got a little oil, stop and burn. Cool it down a little bit. Cool my pan down a little bit. And we getting ready to do the rice. Alright. We got a little bit of onion here. Garlic. Not too much. We don't want to overpower it. But just enough. We're going to give this rice some flavor, guys. Some chicken bouillon. a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, guys. Look at that. Flavor on top of flavor, guys. Flavor on top of flavor. Now, let's add our 2 cups of rice. That. Get it all mixed in there because we want to toast, not only toast that, but we want to grab all that flavor from that butter, that oil, from the onion, the garlic, the chicken bouillon, and we want to mix it into this, into there. And then we want to add 2 cups of water. Well, 3 cups of water. We're going to add 3 cups, not 2, 3. Look at that. And if you've been watching my channel, you know when I do rice, it's minute rice, guys. Alright. Now, let's add some lime juice, not too much. I'm going to flavor that rice. I get a teaspoon. Of the lime. A little cilantro. Not too much, half a teaspoon will do you. And then mixed in. I'm going to let this stuff work its magic. Alright, let's get our shrimp out the pan. Those are done. Alright, let's get these onions out of here. And I'm right back where they came from. And guess what, guys? We're going to stick that corn right in here where these onions and peppers and everything came from. Get that flavor from there right into the corn. Flavor that corn right up. All those bits of flavor and everything. I've drained the can of corn. But believe it or not, it's going to make its own juice. I'm going to add some lemon juice. I said lemon juice, not lime juice. Is it in there? It's going to be so quick. Little Shelly's house seasoning. Squeeze of this garlic, not much. All measurements and everything are going to be down below in the description box. Some more cilantro. Oh, man. Look how it's just getting all that stuff up out of that pan. So add some butter. Butter to the party, guys. Look at that. Flavor Town, guys. Flavor Town. The cilantro, the lime juice, the butter, the garlic, the Shelly's house seasoning in this thing. Oh my goodness. Now we done. So everything is done. Now all we gotta do now is build the bowl. And when I come back, that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna build the bowl. Okay, so let's build the bowl. First thing first, let's get us some rice. And this good rice. Get some of these good beans. Black beans on here. I'm gonna get 2 scoops. Oh. Get some of this corn. Get some of these shrimp. This chicken. Get some of this chicken. Some of this shrimp. Oh. It's a whole feast over here, boy. Right into my bowl. I get enough too. I'm being greedy, guys. I'm being greedy. Alright, so let's move on over to the counter to get the rest. Alright, so now let's get some of these onions and peppers on here. Oh, yeah, gotta get that out of that. Some salsa. Some lettuce. Look at that. A bowl. I'll set it up pretty so I can get a good thumbnail. Look at that. A couple of these tomatoes. Look at that. Cheese. And go all around. And after that, now we're gonna get some zesty Italian dressing. Shake it up real good. And we're going to squirt it all over that. And a dollop. Oh, wait a minute. Messed up. I like sour cream, so. If you don't like it, don't put it on there. Move this out of the way. You guys can see. Look at that. That is a beautiful bowl of food, guys. Can't help but to want to eat that burrito bowl. Tell me that don't look good. I just want to take this time now to say to all my newcomers, welcome, 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 my new subscribers. I love you guys. I love all of you, old, new, past, present, family, friends, whoever. I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section how you guys like your burrito bowl. Did this video live up to your burrito bowl expectations? Let me see. Ain't that it? Okay, so I guess I can just, I'm going to try. Let me get a place down here. Yeah. Chipotle. Oh, I got nothing on this bowl. Alright guys, so like, share, subscribe, comment, hit me up on social media, guys. And as always, guys, y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.